This episode of Lessons in Logic focuses on the Logs page of the Logiq dashboard. The Logs page is like a time machine for your application logs. Use it to travel across time and view logs by the date they were ingested into Logiq. When you click on Logs, you'll see that all of your application logs are listed and categorized based on namespace, application, ProcessID, tags, and when they were last updated. By default, logs are sorted by the time they were ingested, with the most recent log appearing on the top. Logs can be filtered directly by time. With a single click, you can opt to view logs generated during time ranges based on minutes, hours, days, or even a custom time range. You can also filter logs by their namespace. As you can see, selecting the demo Logiq namespace pulls up all logs generated against it. Now, to view a particular log in detail, click on an application. Let's select the application GKE Metrics Agent. A modal window pops up that shows you the most recent logs that are generated for all of this application's processes. You can also download these logs as a CSV or a JSON file. When you download your log as a CSV file and click on it, an Excel sheet opens containing all of your logs data categorized in precisely the same way as they are on the Logs page. You can further filter the logs you're viewing based on severity, process ID, and using pattern matching. In this log, we'll select Info as the level, GKE Metrics Agent as the process ID, and search for the pattern error. You'll notice that the logs is further filtered with the pattern error being highlighted wherever they occur on the log. Let's go back to the Logs page and look at how we can compare logs with one another. Let's compare logs for the GKE Metrics Agent application with the process ID ProcessID 67D64. The Logs modal window pulls logs for the selected application and process ID and presents them side by side. Clicking on the Load More button pulls up older logs. To view a log in greater detail, click the arrow icon next to it to expand the log. You can also search for patterns across both sets of logs using the search bar in each log panel. Furthermore, the logs can also be filtered and compared across time ranges. As you just saw, the Logs feature on your Logiq dashboard offers plenty of ways for you to view and extract deeper insights from your logs. The possibilities of what you can do with your logs are certainly not limited, making logging easier and more powerful than ever before. Thank you for watching this episode of Lessons in Logic. Stay subscribed and notified for more lessons in Logic.